First, to open your Unity project. On the scene window, right click on the empty space, choose 3D object and select cube. Change its position to 0, 0, 0 and Z scale will be 50. So distance will be 50 and we are going to change the width to 8. Now we have the base plan. This is base plan. We are going to add another cube. Once again change its position to 0, 0, 0. We need to move this cube to the right hand side. So change its Z position to 25. We need to align this little bit. Now the cube is perfectly aligned. After this we are going to add color to this cube. So we are going to create material component. Right click on the empty space in the assets and choose create material. Name this material as cube. We need to change the color. Click on the albedo. Choose the red color. We need to apply this color to the cube. Drag it to the cube one. Now the cube is colored. We are going to duplicate this cube. So press Ctrl D. By pressing Ctrl D, we can duplicate this cube. And we are going to change the Z position. We are change the Z position to 0. We align this cube to left hand side. Once again we are going to duplicate the same cube by pressing Ctrl D. We need to change its Z position to 10 and align this cube to right hand side. Now we have the 3D view. Now we have the base and 3 cubes. This is looking good. When we move the object, we can able to see it very clearly. Now we have the 3D view and 3D objects. Then first rename the first cube as plan 1. So this is our base plan. Type plan and press enter. So this is base plan and this is cube 1, this is cube 2 and this is cube 3. After this we create the script to move the cube. So right click on the empty space in the assets and create, choose create C# script. Name the script as move and press enter. Once again press enter. This will open the VS Code. We are going to take the cube as a transform. So first we declare the transform. Transform as TR. Then we need to set the speed. So public float speed. By adding public, we can able to change the speed in the window. After this, we are going to assign the transform component. We are going to get the transform component attached to the script. So get component of transform. We get the transform of the script attached. Okay. In update, we are going to translate this transform tr.translate. We are going to move the cube in z direction. So transform.translate new vector 3 of 0, 0, speed into time.delta time. Speed into time.delta time. After this, save this file and go back to the Unity project. Now select the cube 1. We are going to add this script to the cube 1. So drag and drop it to the add component. Now the script is attached to the cube 1 and change the speed to 5. After this, we are going to align the camera. So adjust as you want. Then choose main camera. Go to game object and click align with view. Then click the play button. Now the cube will be moving. Now the cube is moving very faster. So we are going to reduce the speed. Once again click the play button. Now change the speed. Now select cube 1 and change its speed to 1. Now the cube will be move very slower. Now the cube is moving very slowly. You can able to see it very clearly. Go to the scene view. Double click on the cube. You can able to see the cube is moving. We can able to see very clearly the cube is moving. We are taking the cube as a transform. So we are changing the z direction. That's why the cube is moving. By changing the speed, we can move the cube to our desired speed. In the second method, we are going to add force to the cube. So we are taking the cube as a rigid body. By applying this force, we can able to move the cube. So first select the cube 1 and add rigid body component. Add component. Type rigid body. Add this add rigid body and uncheck gravity property. After that, move to the VS Code and declare rigid body variable. We are tagging cube as a rigid body. First comment this translate and we are taking cube as a rigid body RB. And we are getting the rigid body of the component attached to the script. We are getting the rigid body attached to the script. So we are assigning get component of rigid body. After that, in update, we are going to add force rb.add force. We are going to apply the force in z direction. So add force new vector 3 of 0, 0, speed into time.delta time. Time.delta time is so important. After that, save this file and go back to the Unity project. Now click the play button. We have already set the speed to 1. Now the cube will be move very slowly. Click the play button. The cube is moving very slowly. The cube is moving very slowly, so I am changing the speed to 5. Select the cube one and change the speed to 5. Now the cube will move little bit faster. We can able to see the cube is moving. Change to the scene view and double click the cube one. We can able to see the cube is moving. We are applying force to the cube, that's why the cube is moving. Once again click the play button and change the speed to, this time I am changing the speed to 10. Then once again click the play button. Now the cube will move very faster. We can able to see the cube is moving. By changing the speed, we can able to adjust the speed of the cube. By changing the speed, we can able to adjust the force. This time I am changing the speed to 40. Now the cube will move very faster. We can able to see it very clearly. By changing the speed, we are changing the force to the cube. In this way, we can able to move the cube. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching the